The 2021 hurricane season was the third most active on record, and extreme weather events are now more frequent than at any point in history, causing substantial damage to communities. At the same time, inflation is at a 30-year high. Millions of Americans are now feeling the pinch as the cost of living rises. Two iconic organizations, Whirlpool Corporation and Habitat for Humanity, are building on their 22-year, $120 million relationship with the Build Better with Whirlpool initiative, working with families in need of safe, affordable housing to build climate-resilient and energy-efficient homes.
At Whirlpool Corporation, we have a strong collaboration with Habitat for Humanity and are committed to reducing the burden of repair and energy costs on Habitat families. As part of this, our company is proud to provide energy-efficient appliances and funding to help support innovative construction practices.
We work across all types of climate zones, and so we want to make sure that we are taking the lessons from our local habitat organizations and Whirlpool to apply it to designing homes so that they are resilient and sustainable for the long term. We've got increased insulation. We've got higher efficiency heating and cooling equipment. Because you have more resilient homes, you have less repair costs over time. You save from gaining energy efficiency. You can utilize those dollars for other things to invest in your homes or invest in your families.
Better-built, climate-responsible homes can play a role in fighting extreme weather events and in lowering costs to communities, because they go beyond local codes to apply 15% improved energy-efficient standards for their construction methods.
We collaborated recently with Whirlpool Corporation on a study that demonstrates that the use of energy-efficient appliances does create cost savings, which is key to keeping an affordable home affordable. During the study period, we found that our joint efforts accounted for an average reduction of 20% in annual household energy costs attributable to appliance use.
These figures are significant because in some areas of the country, energy costs can be as high as 37% of a homeowner's total burden. And the energy burden on some low-income households is often 3 times as high as it is for others.
Our study also showed that donated Whirlpool refrigerators, all of which earned the Energy Star label and exceed the strict energy efficiency specifications set by the EPA, contributed to the energy savings equivalent of taking 33,000 passenger cars off the road.
The vitality of our communities and improving the quality of life at home are what drives us to continually innovate. We are thrilled to support Habitat for Humanity in this work and respond to the growing need for affordable, climate-resilient housing that helps protect our planet and passes on energy reduction cost savings to homeowners who need it the most.
We at Habitat and Whirlpool, we want to help be leaders of instituting this change.
An essential U.S. initiative from an enduring global relationship, Build Better with Whirlpool, is helping accelerate stability and sustainability for all. This program is part of Whirlpool Corporation's House and Home Initiative, a comprehensive global approach to social impact in constant pursuit of improving life at home for everyone. To find out more, visit the social responsibility page at whirlpoolcorp.com.